Hi, this is Vijay. I have done BE Aeronautical Engineering. Now I am going to present a project which is modeling of fuselage stringer using Catia V5. Before that, let me see just introduction about Catia. What is Catia? Catia is nothing but computer aided 3-dimensional interactive application, and it's a multi-platform CAD, CAM and CAE software suites, and it has to be developed by French company Dassault System, and it has to be written in C++ language. Let's see history of Catia. In 1977, French aircraft manufacturer Avion Marshall Dassault developed this one. After that, the customer of CAD-CAM developed this software, and Dassault's Mirage fighter jet it was invented. Initially, it was named Catia, that is conception assisted 3-dimensional interactive. After that, it was renamed in 1991, that is Catia. Next one is scope of application. Catia supports 3D product lifecycle management software suites, and it supports multi-stage of product development like design, manufacturing and engineering. And Catia facilitates the collaborative engineering applications like surfacing, shape design, mechanical engineering and visualization engineering, equipment and system engineering, reverse engineering, and modify the innovative shapes to create and modify the innovative shapes. And Catia enables the definition of 3D parts and 3D sketches, sheet metal, composites, molded and forged tooling parts, and it has to design fluid and HVAC systems. Nowadays, Catia is used in many of the industries like aerospace, defense, and automotive, shipbuilding, plant design, architecture, and construction. First of all, let me see aerospace. In aerospace, Boeing aircraft and a light compact air vehicle, and Chinese Xi'an JFF-7A aircraft, and European aerospace gained aircraft, and Canadian aircraft manufacturer Bombardier Aerospace. This can be designed and developed by Catia V5 and Catia V3 software. Nowadays, Airbus 380 and Boeing are designed by Catia V5 and Catia V3 software. And next one is automotive. In automotive, most of the automotive companies use Catia V5 to design the components, and most of the automotive companies design the car structures like door beams, IP supports, bumper beams, and roof rails. Side rails and body components are designed and developed by Catia V5 and Catia V3 modeling softwares. Next one is shipbuilding. Shipbuilding is designed using Catia V3 like GD electric boat and Bentube graph for sailing, designed by Catia V5. And next one is industrial equipments. Industrial equipments used to design components like spooler, metso, and heavy mobile machineries are designed by Catia softwares. And next one is modeling of fuselage stringer using Catia V5. Before going to design Catia, first of all let me know the anatomy of the components. Like you are going to design automobile components, or whether you are going to design aerospace components, or whether you are going to design heavy engineering components, you must know the anatomy of the vehicles. First of all, this is stringer. What is stringer? Stringers are longitudinal member of fuselage which resist the bending and axial load of the fuselage. And this is the diagram exactly shows where the stringers are fixed. This is the nothing but skin of the fuselage, and the blue line shows the stringer of the fuselage, and the black line shows the bulkhead, and red line shows the long run of the fuselage. And this is the fuselage datum. This is the 3D view of the aircraft, and this is side view, this is top view, and this is front view of the aircraft. This is nothing but the skin of the fuselage, and this is aircraft center line, and this is fuselage reference line. This is the diagram shows exactly where the reference lines are shown. And this is 3D view diagram for stringer, how to design and develop the stringers using Catia modeling software. And this is the exact view of the stringer. That is, this is nothing but flange, and this is crimp, and this is web. This is exactly free stringer of the fuselage. And this is the exact procedure how to design the stringer using Catia. Stringer can be designed whether part design or wireframe or sheet metal or shape design. It has to be designed various method. This is the exact procedure how to design the model of stringers. And this is the diagram shows stringer with the joggle. And this is the exact model of stringer that is the output came from the Catia V5 software. And this is the rough diagram for Catia V5, that is rough diagram for stringer. Now we are going to simple procedure how to design the stringer using Catia V5. First we are going to design part design. First of all, this is rough diagram. This is rough diagram for stringer. First, once getting started with Catia, and next one is start, and then mechanical design. After that, part design. Once you enter the part design, you must select the axis, whether it is XY axis or XZ axis or YZ axis. Select axis. After that, select a tool. Select a tool profile. Using profile tool, you can draw the model of stringer like this. After that, give your constraint. That is nothing but the dimension of the stringer. Dimension. After giving dimension, go to workbench. After that, once entered to the workbench, go to the pad option. Then give the pad dimension. Give the pad dimension whatever is given. Then exit workbench. It has to be coming like this. The stringer must be coming like this. And after this, we have to use chamber option, or it has three-point arc circle. It has so many options to design like this. Using chamber option, the stringer will be coming like this. And then the model can be saved in CATport. There are so many ways to design the stringers using Catia 5. There are so many tools to use to design the stringer. We are using, this is the one way to design the stringer, and finally the model of the stringer can be saved into CATport, which is to be in file format. And this is the exact procedure, simple procedure how to design the stringer. And this is the diagram shows exactly what is the good procedure to design the stringer. And it can be designed whether it is part design or generative shape design or wireframe or set by, it can be designed many ways. This is the correct position of the stringer. And this is the stringer with the juggle. Juggle is nothing but the structure of the fuselage. That is one of the structure of the fuselage, and gives the axial and bending loads to the fuselage. And this is the diagram shows the stringer of the fuselage. This is nothing but flange, and this is the crimp, and this is the Z stringer. And this is the exact procedure to how to design the Catia V5. Exact procedure to design the fuselage using Catia V5 software. Thank you.